Hello students, this is your chemistry class. So we are going to discuss about the quantum numbers, the set of numbers used to describe the position and energy of the electron, that is behavior of electron. So quantum number describe the behavior of electron, that is energy and position of the electrons. Through the quantum numbers we have find the positions and energy of the electron. There are four types of quantum numbers. First one is principal quantum number, which is represented by small n. Second one, azimuthal quantum number, represented by small l. Magnetic quantum number, represented by ml or m. Spin quantum number, ms or s, especially for s. So what are the principal quantum numbers? The principal quantum number determine the size and large extent of energy of orbitals. Energy of orbital, that is क्या होता है कि न्यूक्लियस this is a nucleus, and around the nucleus there are shells. In the shells electrons revolve. The number of shell represented by the principal quantum number. In the shell the subshells are present, which is represented by the azimuthal quantum number. Subshell. After that orbital, which is represented by the magnetic quantum number, and last electrons. Spin of electron. Spin of electron. The first quantum number represents about the shells, second quantum number represented by the subshell, and the third quantum number represented by the orbital, and the last is spin of electron. तो shells क्या होती हैं? K, L, M, N. ओके, सब शेल्स S, P, D, F. जब हम इसकी पोजीशंस भी शो करेंगे तो वो हो जाएंगी ऑर्बिटल्स. लाइक ऑर्बिटल्स क्या होंगी? जैसे कि S ऑर्बिटल, PX, PY, PZ. PX that is around P orbital, यानी कि डम्बल शेप along the x-axis. This is px. When along the y-axis, this is py. Similarly, along the z-axis, pz. There are four types of quantum number. First, represented by the shells, with the value of n increase in the n, the number of allowed orbitals is increases. Azimuthal quantum number is also called orbital angular momentum or subsidiary quantum number. To find L, the formula is 0 to n minus 1. For M, formula is minus L2 plus L. For S, the formula is plus half minus half. तो वन बाई वन हम देखते हैं अब स्टार्टिंग से कि प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर्स क्या होती हैं. कि ये जो होती हैं वो साइज एंड एनर्जी ऑफ द ऑर्बिटल डिफाइन करेंगी, स्पेशली फॉर द सेल्स. फॉर द n इज इक्वल्स टू 1 2 3, द शेल इज K, L, M, N. When the size of the orbital increases, the quantum number also increases. Similarly, azimuthal quantum number is define the 3D shape of the orbital. 3D शेप दैट इज s ऑर्बिटल्स जो होंगी उसकी शेप कैसी होती है? स्फेरिकल. p ऑर्बिटल डम्बल शेप, d ऑर्बिटल डबल डम्बल शेप. दिस टाइप्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज azimuthal quantum number. For L is equals to 0, the subshell is S. L is equals to 1, the subshell is P. L is equals to 2, the subshell is D, similar so on. Magnetic orbital quantum number is also called magnetic quantum number. This gives information about the spatial orientation of the orbital. To find magnetic quantum number, the formula is ml is equals to minus L2 plus L. Next is spin quantum number. It gives the information about the direction of spinning of electron. Either electron is upward or downward when we filling in the orbitals. And we have already discussed about the filling of orbitals in the virtual classes and video also. So you can watch there how to fill the electrons. For upward spin, the spin quantum number value is plus half, and for downward spin, the spin quantum number is minus half. Thank you, class.